In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a slide layout in PowerPoint and modify it to include a title, text, and additional content. If you've ever found yourself in need of adjusting your slide design to better fit your presentation needs, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the essential step that sets the stage for everything else we're going to do. After launching the program, locate your already existing PowerPoint presentation that you want to edit. If you've got several files on your system, you might have to navigate through them to find the right one. Once you have your presentation open, the next thing to do is to find the specific slide that you wish to modify the layout for. After selecting the slide, bring your mouse over to it and right-click. This reveals a context menu, which is a quick way to access several features without navigating through the main toolbar or menu options. From this context menu, you'll see an option labeled Layout. Click on it, and this will present you with the various layout choices available within PowerPoint. These layouts are preset templates designed to help you structure your content in different ways. Now, you may notice that the options vary depending on your PowerPoint version. However, typically these include layouts that cater to title slides, slides with content, and slides with various combinations of text, images, and other media. Our goal here is to modify the slide to include a title, text, and any additional content you may need. So, from the options presented, choose the layout that suits this configuration. Usually you would be looking for one labeled something like title and content. If you're wondering how to choose between layouts, think about the information you need to display. A title and content layout is versatile and perfect for a variety of content types. Selecting this option will automatically adjust your slide to make room for a title at the top, with a larger section below for text, images, or any other elements you might want to include. After selecting the appropriate layout, you'll see your slide automatically adjust to the new format. If you've previously added content to the slide, don't worry, PowerPoint will attempt to fit your existing content into the new layout. However, you might have to do a bit of tweaking to ensure everything looks exactly right. And that's it! You've successfully changed the layout of your slide to better suit your presentation needs. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.